everyone, how are you my dear children? Hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are going to discuss electric field due to system of charges. What is system of charges? When more than one charges are there, then that is called system of charges. Okay, it will follow the superposition principle. Using superposition principle, we can find out the electric field due to charges. What is this? So we can find out electric field intensity at a point due to charge distribution due to, there is some again it is hanging, wait a minute, due to charge distribution. Is vector sum of the field intensities of the individual charges due to individual charges. What does it mean? Electric field intensity at a point due to charge distribution. Suppose Q1 charge is over here, Q2 charge is over here, Q3 charge is over here, Q4 charge over here. Suppose 4 charges are there. This is your system of charges. Okay, and I want to find out the field intensity at this point A. Okay, so as per superposition principle, your net electric field at A will be EA. How to find out? It is the field intensity due to charge 1, then field intensity due to charge 2, then due to charge 3, then field intensity due to charge 4. Add all the field intensities, and this is your vector sum. As you can see, it is vector sum of all the electric field. Clear, children? So the statement what we have written over here, this is the mathematical expressions. Okay, now we'll understand it more clearly when we'll do some questions. Let us begin with a very simple question. Hope you people have noted it down. So if n number of charges, then you will go on writing E4, E5, E6. How many charges are there? Take individual field intensity. So E1 means, what is E1? E1 is the field intensity at A due to this charge. E2 means field intensity at A due to Q2 charge. So we'll find out all the individual intensities at this point due to respective charges, then we'll take the vector sum of it. Clear, children? So now we'll start with a very easy question to understand this in simpler manner. Let the two charges, we'll see it now. This is equilateral triangle. One charge is at over here Q, and another charge is over here, that is minus Q. Okay, children? Here we'll name it A, B, C, and this is equilateral, 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Each side is A. Then we have to find out EA. Due to two charges, placed at B and C. How to find out? Let us see. Now first we will find out electric field intensity due to this charge at A. So we know Q is positive charge. So when we are taking positive charge means the field will be what? Away from the charge. So this will be your EA. Now due to minus Q, the field will be towards this charge. So this is your EC. Clear, children? Remember, when for positive charge, field is always away from the charge. For negative charge, field is always towards the charge. Now if it is 60, then it is 120. So net electric field will be where? Net electric field will be like this. This is your ER or net electric field. That is what we want to find it out. Net electric field at point A. Let us begin. How to find out? Now first we will see what is EB. EB will be how much? EB will be as per the formula KQ by A square. Then what is EC? EC will be nothing but KQ by again A square. See children, we are not taking the minus sign over here because we are only concerned about the magnitude. Okay, we need the value only, the value of the charge. So for make it simple, we'll consider it as E. If it is E, then it is also E. So one vector is like this, E. Another vector is like this, E. And angle between them is 120. And resultant we are interested in, that is EA or ER. Now as per the parallelogram law of vector addition, so how to find out ER? ER is nothing but, put the formula. Hope you know this. We have studied in class 11 and I have uploaded the same videos also. You can refer it if you are having any confusion. So E square plus E square plus 2E square E dot E A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta square root. That is the formula. So here theta is 120 degree and we will take the square root. So what we will get? We will get 2E square plus 2E square cos 120 is minus half. Okay. Now 2 get cancelled. So how much it is? It will be 2E square minus E square. So this is nothing but E. So your resultant is now E. This is E. So that means net electric field at point A, that is your ER only, that is your E. What is E? This is KQ by S square. So we got the magnitude of the resultant vector, net electric field. Okay. Now what is the angle? Like this net electric field EA, what is the direction with respect to AC? How to find out what is the direction with respect to AC? We'll take this angle as alpha. This is alpha. Okay. That means this is alpha. Then how to find out alpha? So we know tan alpha is equal to, and let me write over here, tan alpha is equal to nothing but, put the formula. Please refer vector chapter if you don't remember the formula. But you must know E sin 120, E plus E cos 120. Okay. What is sin 120? That is E into root 3 by 2. And you know cos 120 is nothing but half only, and that is minus half, children. Don't get confused. Minus half. So we'll take E common. So E into root 3 by 2. Take over here E common. So 1. Now this is minus half. So 1 minus half. Clear, children? So now how much we got? We got root 3 by 2. 1 minus half is half. So into 2 by 1. So it is root 3. That means your tan alpha is equal to root 3 is equal to, what is the value? Tan 60. That means alpha is equal to 60 degrees. Clear, children? So your net electric field at A making an angle 60 degree with respect to AC. So this is the direction and we got the value also, children. See, this method we have to do for your board exam, class exam. But so much of our calculation for this in entrance, it will take time. So again we need to do it first. So how to do it first? We know this is your E, children, and this is your E. So your resultant, this resultant will be how much? So as per formula it will be 2E. If it is theta, so it will be 2E cos theta by 2. This thing you know. If you don't know, let me explain how to get it. Remember this. This is the shortcut formula. Hope you are noting it down. So can I clear the board? Okay. Let me clear the board now. See, children. Suppose two vectors are there. One vector is like this, F, and another vector is like this, F, and it makes an angle theta. We need to find out the resultant of these two vectors. These two vectors are equal vectors. So how to find out? So as per the vector addition formula, Fr is equal to F square plus F square plus 2F into F cos theta square root. So this will be 2F square plus 2F square cos theta, again square root. Take 2F square common. So what will get? 1 plus cos theta square root. What is this 1 plus cos theta? Do you know the trigonometry formula? If you don't know, please note it down over here. I am writing. We know 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to how much? 2 sin square theta by 2. And 1 minus cos theta is equal to how much? 2 sin square theta by 2. Remember this. So here 1 plus cos theta, that means we will put 2f square into 2 cos square theta by 2, and we have to take the square root. So your Fr is how much? Fr is 2f cos theta by 2. Is it clear? See the formula, children? Okay. And always remember, if both the vectors are same, then your resultant vector will be with this formula, and this resultant vector will make the angle that is a half of the original angle. If it is theta, then it will be theta by 2. In previous case, that means it will bisect the angle between the two vectors. बीच में से चला जाएगा ये वाला resultant vectors. Is it clear? So that means in the previous case the angle was 120. Here we know it is E and E, so this was 120. So we got the resultant as how much? With the angle 60 degree, and we got in the last case we got it is E. Clear? So let me use this formula in the previous question. So how to do? I am clearing the board now, please children. Now in previous question, this is your A point, this is E, and this is E, what we have studied. Let me do it again. B, C. Okay. So this is your E. This is C point because here minus Q towards the charge, intensity will be, electric intensity will be towards the negative charge, and it is away from the charge since Q. Now 120 is this, since it is 60. So as per the formula, now both the vectors are having same value E and E. The resultant will be EA will be how much as per the formula? 2E cos theta by 2. So 2E cos theta by 2 means 2E cos 120 by 2. So 120 by 2 means 2E cos 60. So what is cos 60 value? Cos 60 is nothing but half, 2E into half. So now see, again we got E with this. Clear, children? Okay. So now we'll move to the next question. We'll move to the next question now. Now see, children, here in question what is given? 2 point charges plus Q and minus 2Q are placed at the vertices B and C of an equilateral triangle ABC. So here ABC, an equilateral triangle, plus Q is at, this is plus Q placed at B, and minus 2Q as per the question placed at C. And equilateral means each angle will be 60 degree, and side also given A and A, side length A. We have to find out the magnitude and direction. We have to find out the magnitude of resultant electric field at this point, point A, due to B and C, due to plus Q and minus 2Q charge at this, and we have to find the direction with respect to AC, children. Okay, how to do it? We have seen one easy question, so as for that this is also easy. In the similar way we will now proceed. Let me clear the board. I think you people have noted down the question, so please note it down. Now I am clearing the board to do the solution, children. See, children, now here it is A, B and C. Charges are over here Q, over here minus 2Q, and side A, this is 60, this is also 60, and this is also 60, and each side is A. It is given. Now we have to find out the electric field, net electric field due to these two charges. Now electric field at A due to charge Q will be like this. It is EB. Since it is positive charge, it will be away from the charge. Now the electric field due to minus 2Q charge will be like this. It will be towards. So this is your EC. So here the angle will be 120 now, since it is 60 given. So net electric field will be like this. So this is your net electric field at A. So now step by step we'll do. First we'll find out the electric field at B. It is due to charge Q. So KQ by A square. Okay. Now at A due to minus 2Q charge. Minus 2Q means K into 2Q. We are not taking minus sign since we are only considering the value of the charge. So simply this is 2KQ by A square. So twice of, if we consider it as E, now we can write this is as 2E, children. So your vector will be like this. EC is 2E. This is EC, 2E. And this is EB is E. So this angle is 120. Now your EA is this. So how to find out EA? So EA is equal to E square plus 2E square plus 2E into E into cos 120 degree, and take the square root. Do step by step. So 2E square E square, that means 2e whole square, by the way. This is 2e whole square. So you will get 4e square plus e square. So directly I am writing down 5e square. Now plus 2e square cos 120 is minus half. So 2 get cancelled. So now it will be 5e square minus how much? This is 2 times of 2e, children. There is a mistake. Here it is 2e into e. So this is 4e. Let me change. So let me write it clearly. There is a mistake, children. Have patience. Okay. So 2e into 2e. So here 4e square. So 4 get cancelled 2. So 5e square minus 2e square. So that is how much? 3e square. That means root 3. Root 3e. This is the value. So EA is root 3e. So root 3e. What is E? E is k cube by a square. So we can write your final answer will be EA. Net electric field due to these two charges will be root 3 k cube by a square. So this is your EA net electric field. Clear, children? Is it clear now? Now we have to find out the direction. So we'll now, please note it down. I am waiting. Okay. So let me erase this portion. I think people have noted it down. So let me erase. Please note it down. Up to this I can erase now. So now let this angle is alpha. Okay, you can say this is alpha. So how to find out now direction? With AC. How to find the direction with respect to AC. So that means again tan alpha. So tan alpha is equal to E sin 120 divided by 2E plus E cos 120. So this is how much? This will be E into sin 120 is root 3 by 2. 2E plus E cos 120 is minus half. So that means tan alpha will be E into root 3 by 2. From the denominator take E common. So you will write 2 minus half. That means E get cancelled. So 2 minus half means how much? 2 2 ja 4 minus 1. So 3 by 2. So what you will write? Root 3 by 2 and into 2 by 3. Simple mathematics, children. Normal calculations. Nothing big. So root 3 and 3. How much? Root 3. 2, 2. So that means your tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means how much? It will be tan 30 degree. This means your alpha is equal to how much? 30 degree. So your resultant net electric field will make an angle 30 degree. Will make an angle. This angle is now 30. So it will make an angle 30 degree with respect to AC. Okay, children? Hope it is clear. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay. See, children. Now the next question. Find the electric field at the center of the square. Center of the square means at O. As you can see, at O, square side is given x by the system of given charges. So charges are given. Here minus 2q, here plus 2q, minus q, and Q. You have to find out at the center. That means net electric field at EO. That we have to find it out. Okay. So now two diagonals intersect at O. So what will take now? Solution. BO, AO, OC and OD. We'll take it as R. All these are R only. Okay, that is half of the diagonal since it is a square. Now let me draw. See children, draw this diagram. So this is Q, this is minus 2Q, this is 2Q, this is minus Q. At O we need to find out. This is your A point, B point and C and D. Now at O, due to B would be what? B, as you can see here, minus Q charge. That means your electric field will be towards negative charge. So E, this will be your EB direction. Clear children? Now minus 2Q. Again, so ED will be towards the charge. For negative charge, field is towards the charge. For positive charge, field is away from the charge. So here, due to 2Q, this, your electric field will be, for positive it is away, and here it will be EA, again away from the charge since positive plus Q is over here. Clear children? This diagram clear? Please note down this diagram. Now we will find out the values, okay, so that we can find this EO. I am clearing the board to proceed further children. For your clarity, now I am drawing again A, B, C and D. Here it is O. Okay. So we need to find out EA. EA. At A how much charge? Remember Q. Here it is minus 2Q. Here it is plus 2Q. Here it is minus Q. So EA will be how much? EA plus Q. So it will be away. EA. Away from the charge. So EA will be KQ by R square as per the formula since AO is R. Then EB. EB negative minus Q. So it will be towards EB. It will be towards like this. Okay. Clear children? So this is your EB. So EB will be how much? Same KQ by R square. Now EC. EC is plus positive charge means field is where? Away from the charge. So away means it will be like this. Away. So it is your EC. So EC will be how much? K. Charge is 2Q by R square. So you can see it is 2KQ by R square. So it is 2. We can write E. If you write EA as this is E and this is E. So simply we'll write 2E. No more confusion. Now what is your ED? You can see again this is your minus charge. So minus charge means negative charge. So negative charge means what will happen? It will be towards the charge. So ED. This is your ED. So ED will again same K 2Q by R square. Repeatedly I am telling, don't take minus sign. We are only taking the value. So 2KQ by R square. So simply again 2E. Clear? Now we need the resultant. See children. So here this ED. ED is like this. So ED is how much? 2E. And EB. EB how much? E. Now here this is your EC, how much? 2E, and this is your EA, how much? E. Now tell me, we know find out how to get the subtraction of vectors and addition of vectors, everything we know, and I have uploaded those videos also. See children, here it is O. So in this direction it is E, and in this direction it is 2E. So what is the resultant of these two vectors? These two vectors will be 2E and E. So resultant both are in opposite direction. So your net resultant will be 2E minus E. But it is in this direction. Why? Because larger vector is over here. Now similarly for this also, this is 2E, this is E. Both are in opposite. So your net resultant of this EC and EA will be like this. So again 2E minus E. And you know the diagonals of the square, 90 degree, they will bisect each other with 90 degree. So your now the current diagram will be what? This is your net resultant E, and this is 90 degree. So we have to find out now E, this is 90 degree, this is your EO. Finally we will find out this. Now how to find out this? One thing is Pythagoras theorem, since it is 90 degree, so we can write Pythagoras theorem, EO will be how much? E square plus E square square root. Okay, since it is 90 degree, cos 90. Okay, you know cos 90, you know all those things. So E square, so you will get finally root 2E. Root 2E means your E naught will be root 2 K cube by R square. Okay, this is one way. Another way, I have already told. Can I clear the board? I am clearing the board, children, so that I will get space to move further. And please note down all the diagrams. Carefully do all the diagrams. Now this is your E, and this is your also E, and this is your EO, and this is 90. We got it like this. Okay, so we got root 2E. Now we'll see what I have told. Same, these two vectors have same value. So your net E naught is, we'll apply the formula 2E cos theta by 2, 2E cos theta by 2 wala formula, what I have already told. So 2E cos 90 by 2. Clear children? So 2E cos 45 degree. So what is 45? Cos 45? 1 by root 2. So 2E 1 by root 2. So finally we are getting the same value. Okay, root 2 to root 2. So your E naught resultant vector at point O will be 2 root 2E. Clear children? Now we know this is the square having side x. Okay, I am again drawing the thing A, B, C, D, O. What is AC children? What is AC? Pythagoras theorem, x square plus x square square root AC. So it will be how much? 2x square square root, that means x root 2. Then what is AO or OB or OC or OD, anything, all are same. So AO, or you can say I have taken it as R. Everything is R over here. Okay, so this will be how much? X root 2 by 2, that is half of the diagonal. So 2 root 2 like this. So you are getting R as x by root 2. Okay, now we'll write, remember this. Okay, I am clearing it out. Remember we got the resultant root 2E. So how to write then? I am clearing the board. So your E naught net resultant vector at point O, E naught is root 2E. What we have find out? The E value. What we have taken? We have taken EA as K cube by R square. Okay, and what we got? R is equal to x by root 2. This thing we got now, just now. Okay, so we will now put the value. So root 2 k cube by r square finally. So what is r square? We'll write root 2 k cube by x by root 2 whole square. So finally net electric field at point O will be root 2 k cube into 2. Okay, take the square and reverse it since it is in division. 2q by x square. So your net electric field at point O, that is EO, will be how much? 2 root 2 k cube by x square. This is your answer. Clear, children? If any doubt, please let me know. Okay? Let me clear it out. Now we'll see a last note. See, children, the final thing. Electric field at the center of a symmetrical charge distribution is always zero. What does it mean? Suppose now I'll take a equilateral triangle. Each vertex plus q, here also plus q, here also plus q. Okay? So you will see all the intensity, electric field intensity will get cancelled, and at the center you will get your electric field 0. Okay, you can find it out since it is very simple. I didn't solve it. Okay, because video length will be too much and you will get bored. So you will see all the electric field due to individual charges. When you will combine, everything will get cancelled out. You will get your E as 0 at the center. Similarly, if you take a, now we will take a square. So Q, Q, Q and Q. So this is symmetrical charge distribution. So now here at the center also your E is 0. Okay. Now suppose this. Here Q charge plus Q, here plus Q. You can take 5Q, 5Q also. Here it is center. This is your center. That means this distance is R, this distance is R. Now at center your electric field will be again 0. Similarly, if we take a symmetrical charge distribution in like this, everywhere same. Symmetrical charge distribution like this. Then here also at the center E will be 0. Clear, children? Remember this. These are probable, like you can say this is a very common question. The electric field at center of a symmetrical charge distribution is always 0. Remember this. Don't get confused. Okay? Hope you have understood this video lecture. If any doubt, please leave a comment in comment section box, and it will actually encourage me because I am not getting time. I am packed with all the things. So please let me know if I am lacking in something. Maybe I can make it simple. I don't know. I am just trying my best. So do watch this video and leave a comment in comment section box so that I can improve whatever I am giving. I know I am giving the best content, but I don't know whether you are getting it not or whether you are appreciating it not. Anyway, thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, children. Bye.